got a lot to do this afternoon, and it's a red day, so Amara, what's that mean?
Gym.
Amara.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, we got a lot to do this day. Other group, let me get through my stuff this morning. We had a pretty good morning. No one had homework, okay? We'll see. If I don't get through science, you're definitely going to have homework tonight. And it's out of the book. And you can't take the books out of the class, so it's going to be hard to do your homework. Kelsey, what number? Number 1. You got 808. Okay? 808 divided by 8. Okay, 8 goes into 8 how many times, Kelsey?
1.
I'm left with 0. I bring down the 0. Kelsey, can 8 go into 0?
No.
Okay, bring down the other 8. What about 8 into 8?
1.
1 time. So you got 101 as your answer. Sign your name, Kelsey. No noises, please. Unless you want to make them after school tomorrow. Alicia, what number? 8. What is the ratio of squares to triangles? Alicia, how many squares are there?
2.
How many triangles? 3. 2 to 3. If I tell you to read your answer for number 8, you would tell me it's 2 to 3. 2 squares for 3 triangles. Okay? Alicia, sign your name. Aiden, what number?
3.
Okay, before we add these, Aiden, we need to do what?
We need to do 3 times 20 because 1 is 20.
Okay, hold on. Let's look on the backboard here. Okay, I need a little more space for this for me to show you how we solve it. So we got 3/5. Okay, I'm gonna write it vertically. 3/5 plus 3/10. Correct, class?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we need to find the LCD. And LCD class stands for
Least common denominator.
least
Common
There we
denominator.
go. Okay. Our numbers are 5 and 10. Class, count by 5s up to 25.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 30, 35,
We did. We're not listening. Now, Jasmine, count by 10s.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Okay, stop right there. 4 or 5 times usually. Now, someone tell me, what's the smallest number we have out of these that are on the top and the bottom, Eli?
10.
Okay, 10. Do we have more than 1, Eli?
20.
Okay, we have 20, but should we use 20? No, why, Eli?
Because it's a larger number.
Yeah, we want the smallest one. We don't care about the other ones as much. We want the smallest one. So we need the common denominator to be 10 over here. So if I put 2 10s down for the denominator, I already have a 3 here. So what can I do? What can I do? I can't talk. What do we do with this 3, Dominic?
Leave it 3.
I can just leave it a 3. Alright, I just move it over. If there's a 10 here, I just put a 3. Now I need to think, how did I get 5 to equal 10? 5 times what gives me 10, Sergio?
2.
2. Okay, in class, what I do to the bottom, I do to the
Top.
Okay, class, tell me 3 times 2.
6.
Okay. Denominator stays the same when we add. We have 10, 10, 10. Class, what's 6 plus 3?
9.
Let's try this again before I hear everyone. What's 6 plus 3?
9.
9.
Dang it.
Your answer is 9 tenths for number 3. Who picked number 3?
Tenths, though.
Aiden, sign your name. Jasmine, what number?
2.
Number 2. Okay, let me check off 3. Number 2, 55% equals 55 hundredths, which also equals 55 hundredths. Is that true or false, Jasmine?
True.
True. Okay, remember your common assessments are going to be about percents today. Sign your name, Jasmine. Hey, Seuss, what number?
25.
Huh?
Number 7.
7. Multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay, Jesus, 7 times 5.
Is it 35?
Yep. Carry my 3, Jesus. What's 5 times 1?
8. I mean 5.
Plus 3?
8.
There you go, sir. And 5 times 4, Jesus?
1.
20. Carry over my 2. Read that number to me, Jesus.
2085.
2085. Sign your name, sir. What's your question?
Which ones have we done? Now we're done two.
We've done 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. Brianna, what number?
6.
6. The least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. True or false?
True.
True. Why is that true, Brianna?
26 times 4 is 4. 4 times 6 is 4.
Well, 4 times 6 is 24, but let's look. It's kind of the same thing we're doing when we're finding the least common denominator. We're finding multiples. So Brianna, count by 4s for me. Okay, stop there. Now Brianna, count by 6s. 24, okay? Well, Brianna, on here, which ones do we have in common? 12 and what? Just 12, okay? It's the least common multiple. It's the same process of finding the denominator. The denominator is when two things just share, just like this. These are the multiples we help find the denominator. They just call this the L. You might see this on your test, LCM, least common multiple. Okay? So our answer is 12. So that was true. Brianna, sign your name. Lanasia, what number? Number 5. We're subtracting decimals. What do I need to annex here, Lanasia?
The decimal.
Well, I have the decimal, so I can bring it down. Okay, we're adding, subtracting, go straight down. I only have 2 place values here and 3 here, Lanasia. What do I need to annex?
0.
0. Okay, so 0 minus 8.
8.
0 minus 8.
I mean, you take like
9 goes to an 8. The 0 turns into a.
9.
Okay, 10 minus 8.
2.
8 minus 1.
7.
1 minus 0.
1.
7 minus 5.
2.
1 minus 1.
0.
Read that number for me, Lanasia.
2 and 1. 172.
2 and 172 what? We have tenths, hundredths, then thousands. So 2 and 172 thousandths would be the answer you tell me. Sign your name, Lanasia. Moving on, we got number 4, 9, and 10 left. 4, 9, 10. Trinity, what number?
I want number 10.
Okay, we haven't got to this part yet, so put a little star by this because this is going to be coming up around the month of February. We're going to get into this stuff. Some of you have probably seen this already, and that's okay. One rule that you'll have to remember, which we're not talking about it yet, but you can remember for the future reference, when we multiply fractions, it's different than adding. Draw little arrows across to help you remember. Multiply goes straight across. In math, there's just rules you have to remember. That's why we practice them. Trinity, what's 3 plus 1? I mean, 3 times 1.
3.
Okay. What's 5 times 4?
20.
Your answer for this should be 3/20ths. If you didn't get that right, that's okay. We're not even there yet to fractions. Okay, but good job, Trinity. Sign your name.
I always mess up my zeros.
I got it right. You can be 8,500.
Okay, class.
Yes, yes.
Let's keep it rolling. Damien, 9 or 4?
9.
Okay. 0, 4, 8, 12, and 14 are multiples of 4.
4.
Okay, why is that false, sir?
Because you go count by 4s, you go 4, 8, so 16, not 14.
Perfect. Also, 0 won't be a multiple, so 0's wrong and 14's wrong.
Oh.
Unless they might count 0, but 4 times 0 is 0, so I mean it doesn't give you 4. I might have to ask Mrs. Beasley how the test might say that. I would say no, but it's definitely false because of 14, okay?
Yeah, buddy.
Do we need that? No, we don't. Damien, sign your name. Last but not least, we got number 4. Jerome Rule. What number? Well, 4 obviously, but what is it?
Dang it.
Circle the digit in the hundredths place.
The 0
That'd be tenths, sir.
The 7.
Which 7? You have 1 or 2 up here.
2 up there.
Okay. 2 is the hundredths. The other 7 is the ones.
I got 10.
Put your score on there. Mr. Kaufman, with your guys' help again today, Miss 0.
I got 10 out of 10.
Nope, not today, but you're going to turn in Wednesdays or Thursdays probably.